how to start working out for beginners. We're going to dive into the world of working out and discuss how you can get started on the right foot. So, let's jump right into it. Before we begin, it's essential to prioritize safety. Make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Now, let's get into the steps to kickstart your fitness journey. Step 1. Set clear goals. Having a clear goal will provide you with a sense of purpose and direction. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through your workouts? Whether it's weight loss, building muscle, improving flexibility, or simply boosting your overall health, identifying your goals will help tailor your workout program accordingly. Step 2. Start tracking. Use technology to your advantage by tracking your workouts. Download a fitness app or use a fitness tracker to record your progress. This will not only help you monitor your improvements, but also motivate you to stay consistent. Tracking your workouts will give you a sense of accomplishment and encourage you to push yourself further. Step 3. Get equipped. Having the right workout gear can make a significant difference in your comfort and performance. Invest in a pair of comfortable athletic shoes that provide proper support and cushioning. Wear moisture-wicking clothing that allows for easy movement. Don't forget to carry a water bottle and a towel to stay hydrated and fresh throughout your workout. Step 4. Warm up and stretch. Before diving into your workout, it's crucial to warm up your muscles and loosen your joints. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as brisk walking or jogging in place. Then, move on to dynamic stretches that target major muscle groups. Warming up helps prevent injuries and prepares your body for the upcoming workout. Step 5. Begin with bodyweight exercises. If you're new to working out, bodyweight exercises are a fantastic way to build strength and endurance. They require little to no equipment and can be done anywhere. Start with exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, planks, and sit-ups. Focus on mastering proper form before progressing to more challenging variations or incorporating weights. Step 6. Allow for rest and recovery. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild after intense workouts. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days per week. During this time, engage in active recovery activities like gentle stretching, yoga, or going for a leisurely walk. Remember, rest is just as important as the actual exercise. Step 7. Stay motivated. Motivation can sometimes dwindle, especially when you're just starting out. Here are a few tips to keep you on track. First, find a workout buddy or join a fitness community for support and accountability. Second, mix up your routine to prevent boredom and challenge your body. Finally, celebrate your milestones along the way. Recognize and reward yourself for your hard work and progress. And there you have it, folks. Our 7 essential steps to kickstart your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. Start small, listen to your body, and gradually progress over time. With dedication and patience, you'll soon witness the incredible benefits of regular exercise. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.